Day 54 of lockdown. It's a Sunday, 8:30 at night, just about. I've come out for a 3-hour shift, which may only last 2. I really couldn't be bothered this evening, but here I am. Anyway, if you're new here to the channel, please subscribe. There's the link in the description, button underneath, and my ugly mug red thing in the bottom right hand corner of this as well, and hit the like button. That'd be cool. I've actually already been to the beer shoppy. Where are we? See, you can see a blue carrier bag down there, so I've got a few beers for when I finished, and see what it's like. We had a Sunday roast at home today. Had the mother-in-law round, as we do, roast beef, and there's a delicious roast potato recipe that Tom Fletchers' wife does, that my wife has managed to do justice to, should we say. They're delicious. Check these out. I'll tell you, they're as good as they looked. Really, really nice. Done them a couple of times now, so thanks Tom Fletcher's wife, Giovanna. Absolutely delicious. Anyway, I'm going to disappear and see what happens. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Bye bye. That was an interesting start. 3 quick orders in an hour. I'm on about 15 quid, so it's a better rate. Margate McDonald's, where I've just been, was absolutely rammed with drivers and orders, so I think it could be a busy hour, hopefully. So I'm going to go and put myself near the restaurant again and see what happens. Catch up with you in a bit. Bye bye. I've just moved back up to the McDonald's and KFC at Asda's because I didn't really want to get stuck in that mad queue in the Margate McDonald's again. I've noticed, if you have a look, KFC is shut. And McDonald's does look open at the moment. There's a guy in there cleaning the floor as we speak. So I'm going to sit here for a bit. Got the McDonald's down the road as well, and hopefully pick up another one. I've got a 3-hour shift, but I reckon I'm probably only going to do a couple of hours, I think, and then go home. So yeah, I'll sit here for a while and I'll let you know what happens. Alright, bye bye. Well, that's another order I've just picked up from the McDonald's, and I'm back off to Margate again, having come up here, well, Dane Valley precisely, not very far from home. So I'll get down there and see what gives, but it'll be nearer 10:30 when I'm looking at buggering off home anyway, so I'll let you know what happens when I get rid of this. Dane Valley now. It's dark, it's quiet. Have a look. I'm just at the intersection where we got the crossroads there. That's College Road up that way. Start of Millmead Road that way. I'm on the edge of Dane Valley Road, and that's Upper Dane Road just over there. So I'm going to sit here for a bit. I'm kind of in between my house and the local McDonald's in Margate. I'll give it 20 minutes and see if anything else comes in. If it doesn't, I'm going to call it a night a bit early. So as I said, I only intended to do a couple of hours anyway, just to top up my money just for the end of the week for the last shift. So I'll catch up with you in a bit once I sat here and watched a bit of YouTube. Bye. Well, it's 25 to 11 now. I've just had an order sent through, but it was from McDonald's Margate, but the price it was paying, and from where I am to where it was going, it wasn't worth it, so I declined it. I mean, it probably dropped my order rate down to 90%, but I can build that up again when I come back out. So yeah, I think I'm going to go home now. Pretty tired anyway. So that will be me. Tomorrow I haven't got Justeat. I'm actually off to Heathrow. There's a customer of mine that's been away for a few months, and I'm going to go and get him home. So that'll be a nice change of pace, and I'll catch up with you then. Thank you for watching again. I know again it's been a short one, only a few hours worth. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm having trouble talking because I'm really sleepy, so I'm going to go home. Please hit the like button, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow when I'm out on the road then. Alright, cheers, bye bye.